Are you looking for Go High Level 30 days free trial? If yes, then this video is for you, because in this video I'm gonna show you how you can activate 30 days free trial of Go High Level. So as you can see, if you will directly go to Go High Level website, then you will get default 14 days free trial. Okay, but if you want extended trial, if you want to try it absolutely free for next 30 days, then a special link given in the video description. When you will click on that link, then you will see this special landing page. As you can see, through this landing page you can try Go High Level absolutely free for next 30 days to decide if Go High Level is right platform for you or not. Okay, so I will highly recommend you to check the link given in the video description. So just click on the special link given in the video description and visit this special landing page, and then click on this 30 days free trial button, and here you need to enter your company name, full name, email address, phone number. Okay, so let me quickly fill in all the details. Okay, so I have filled all the details, and when you will click on the next button, then you will taken to the step 2. Here you need to select which plan 30-day free trial you want to activate. You want to activate 30 days free trial of starter plan, or you want to activate 30 days free trial of unlimited plan. So I will highly recommend you to activate the free trial of unlimited plan, because in this plan you can test all the features for next 30 days to decide if unlimited plan is good for you or not. And suppose if you found that it is not the right plan for you, then you can definitely downgrade to starter plan, okay, by contacting their support team. So it is totally up to you. So if you are just beginner, then starter plan is right for you, and if you are already making money from your business, then you can try unlimited plan, and you can decide if this plan is right for you or not by taking the 30 days free trial of unlimited plan. Okay, and after that obviously you need to enter your credit card detail, and then click on this start your 30-day free trial. So when you will click on this button, then your 30-day free trial will be activated, and after that when you will log into your account, then you will see this agency dashboard, and you can join the onboarding call by clicking on this button if you want. And suppose if you found that Go High Level is not the right platform for you, then what you can do, before 30 days you can go to your account setting, and then you can go to subscription option, and you can cancel your 30-day free trial. Okay, so in this way your card will be not charged. So it is totally risk free to try Go High Level. If you like it, then you can continue using it, and if you don't like it, then you can cancel your 30 days free trial and your card will not be charged. Okay, so special Go High Level 30-day free trial link is in the video description. Just go and check it out and activate Go High Level 30 days free trial and test this platform fully to decide if this platform is right for your business or not. If you still have any confusion regarding activating Go High Level free trial, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, friends. If you found this video helpful, then please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this.